Are you desperately waiting for your manifestation to show up? And crickets? Have you been chasing your desires so hard that they are actually slipping away? In today's video, we are diving into something crucial that's holding many of us back from manifesting our desires, what I like to call manifestation killers. There are 8 of them, and in today's video we'll tackle the first one of the biggest killers of manifestation: attachment to the outcome, and how to flip the script so you can finally attract what you want effortlessly. So this is the first video of series of 8, and in which each of them I'm going to tackle one of these manifestation killers. So when you are too attached to the outcome, you are sending a message to source or God, the pure potentiality within you, that your desire is something that you don't have right now. You're energetically saying, I don't trust that it's already within me. And guess what? That frequency is mirrored back to you in your outer reality, in circumstances and situations with more lack, more not having. This attachment is rooted in fear of not receiving, fear of not being enough, fear of never having what you want, that is fueled by thoughts on autopilot. They are just an old script. And let me tell you, fear is the opposite of manifestation energy. It's the opposite of feeling at peace, relaxed, chilled, and confident. The frequency you emanate when you have what you want, right? Now, moreover, you cling to the how and when, which is, by the way, not your business at all. And you are out of alignment with the abundant flow of potentiality that's already within you. Solution? Awaken to this truth now. Shift from desperation to trust. It's not you, the ego mind identity, who is responsible for manifestations, but your God self, higher self, with its unlimited potential. Your job is alignment with what you desire. When you let go of the need to control the how things unfold, you create space for source to work within you in ways that are often even better than you expect. Start living in a state of calm expectancy instead of impatience and lack. Visualize your desire as if it's already yours. Feel it in your bones and trust that source is already guiding you toward it, even if you don't see anything happening in your 3D. Here is an affirmation that you can use for the next 24 hours to anchor that trust. Manifestation is not my business. I allow source to carry me. I trust that everything I desire is already within me, and I'm open to receive it effortlessly. Say these affirmations with intention wherever your doubt starts creeping in. Let it remind you that the pure potentiality of source is already working within you. It's not out there, and you are fully supported. So, I challenge you today, take a deep breath and let go of that attachment to the outcome. Trust that your desire is already within you, ready to manifest. And in the comments below, let me know one desire that you've been attached to and share how you are going to release it today. If you're ready to manifest like a master, hit subscribe button for more tips and let's make it happen. It was Agnes here. Thank you for listening, and I'm so excited for your comments. See you soon for the second episode.